Hi, in this tutorial we are going to learn about the min, max and the average function in MS Excel. First we'll try to understand these formulas by way of a simple example, and then we'll solve some exercises to understand their applications from a modeling point of view. So starting with the min function returns the smallest value from a given set of values. In this case, we'll use the min function by writing min, open bracket, and select the numbers, in which case would be all the values of height for the given students. The max function, on the other hand, returns the largest value from a given set of numbers, again selecting all the set of students. The average function, on the other hand, gives you the average of all the selected numbers. So the average height of a class can be determined by using this function, and we'll select all the values and close the bracket. So as you can see, the minimum number is 4.2, the maximum height is 5.6, and for average we can just take a sum of the total height and then just count the number of students, which is 6. So if I divide 29.4 by 6, we get 4.5, which is rightly the average. Now moving on to exercises from modeling point of view. Here we are going to use the min function to determine the project start date. So as we can see, the project start date is earlier of A, that is the land acquisition date, or B, which is the construction start date. So as you're aware, dates are basically numbers in Excel, and hence we can use the min function to see which one of these date is of the smaller value, that is which one happens to have happened first. So I'll write is equal to min, and then I'll select the land acquisition date and the construction start date. And as we know that 4th Jan is before 1st April 20, and rightly we get that the project start date is the land acquisition date. Similarly, for max function, we need to find the project start date. In this case, it is later of land acquisition date and construction start date. So like we did in min function, we'll use the max function and select both the dates. The larger value of the between the both will be our answer, and here we get the value as 1st April as opposed to 4th Jan in the first problem. Now we're going to use the average function. So sometimes while calculating interest, we need to calculate the average loan balance during the year, and in this case we can use the average function and select the numbers of which we need to take average, and here we can see that we get an average of 14 between 12 and 16. So these were some of the uses of min, max and average function in financial modeling. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.